Ideas are hard to come by, aren't they? Very, very interesting subject, you know. I could bore the pants off you on that subject. But I'm delighted to tell you I won't. So, understanding how to get ideas. The process of starting by doing your research, obviously, and then writing down anything that comes into your head, and then leaving it alone. You know, every single person here, every single one of you, at some point, many, many, many times, you've said, I've just had an idea. I don't know where it came from. Yeah? And it comes from your subconscious, and you have to give your subconscious a chance to do some work. Yeah? So you read the brief, you do all your research, you write down anything that pops into your head, no matter how ludicrous, and then you forget it. You leave it alone and do something else. And then that's where your subconscious will do the work for you. Yeah? And then you come back and you start writing. And you write like a maniac. Yeah? And then you edit and edit and edit and edit. I used to, I'm too lazy now, but I used to edit about 7 times.